Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use Sora 2 on Higgsfield. If you cannot access Sora 2, I know you'll need like an invitation code for it, but you can actually just use Sora 2 in Higgsfield. It is a paid website, like AI as well, but at least you don't need a code. So go to Sora 2 Trends, and basically you can just type your video ID or topic here, and you can select the format here, the product, the preset, visual and sounds, settings. Then you're going to select generate. I don't have any points to show you guys, but yeah, that's pretty much how you can use Sora 2 on Higgsfield if you're not able to get the code for Sora 2. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.